So, are you a small business and you have been having challenges getting loans from your banks because you can't provide your financial statement? On the other hand, the government is also asking you to come and pay exorbitant amount as taxes because you can't really defend your records. And again, somebody advised you to buy those sophisticated and expensive accounting software that requires internet. You got it, but you are unable to use it because the software keeps asking you, choose the account to debit, choose the account to credit. For you, you are just a business owner and an entrepreneur. You don't have any knowledge of accounting. Hi, I'm Ajiboye Olanrewaju, a chartered accountant, CEO and founder of Tax Savvy and Pro Accounting firm, where we develop digital solutions to help small business streamline and simplify their processes. So if you are facing any of those challenges I mentioned earlier, good news, I've developed a template, a simple, affordable template called Smart and Dynamic Accounting Software. So this video is meant to show you an overview as well as the amazing features that are on that template. So stay tuned while we go through the process. Thank you. All right, so we are going to go through an overview of the smart and dynamic accounting templates. So this particular sheet is the user guide. So this is it. We have the data capture sheet where you input all your data. We also have a navigation button here where you can switch between sheets. So then we have dashboard. So I'll click on the navigation button to go to dashboard. So the dashboard will just give you a glance of your headline figures in the P&L, the balance sheets, as well as compute your financial ratios for you. And you can filter all this by year, quarter, or month if you wish. Because we've not inputted any data yet, so that's why it's still showing blank. Then the next thing here is the inventory tracking. So it will show you all records of purchases made as well as the cost of moving such goods from the supplier's premises or our premises, which is carriage in watts. Then we also have the sales. It will show you all records of sales transactions. Then this sheet will help you compute your cost of sales as well as your inventory using the FIFO method, the cost of sales sheets. Then we also have the journal entries, which is very detailed and filterable. And we also have the ledger entry as well. So the ledger entry will show you all the accounts that you have available in the account, and you can filter for each account by clicking on any of these buttons. Then we have the trial balance list of balance sum with the total debit, credits, and net balances for each of the accounts in the ledger. Then we also have your profit and loss statement, which you can filter by year, quarter, month, or whatever the case may be. Then we have the financial position, which is also called the balance sheets. So you can also filter this. And if you want to drill further of what is available under each of these items, for example, non-current assets, if you want to drill further, you just click on the class 4 and you'll be able to see what is underneath it. Then we also have the cash flow statement as usual. So this cash flow statement uses the direct method of computing cash flow statements. It will show you the breakdown of all the operating activities, financing activities, and investing activities, and try to balance this to what you have in your bank or cash accounts. Then we also have the capital allowance computation sheet, which was designed in line with the Nigerian Tax Act 2025. So all this written in accordance to NTA 2025. So it will automatically compute this for you. Then we have the personal income tax computation as well in the formats as approved by the Nigerian Tax Act. So it's very detailed and comprehensive. You can see it will show you all the reliefs available, losses, capital allowances, the statutory deductions, then the tax calculation breakdown. Then you'll be able to know what is due to government as your total personal income tax. Then we also have the transactions setup sheets. So these are all the transactions that have been pre-programmed on the templates, the equity transactions, the purchase transactions, sales, outflows, trade adjustments, adjustment for income and expenses. So we'll go through all this, and then we have the chart of accounts. So all the accounts that are available and which are categorized for ease of reference. So these are the overview. So the next video will now show you a demo of how to do the data capture, input those details, and how it will automatically reflect in the other reports. So please stay tuned.